Okay, now let's add an object. Let's use the ellipse tool. Hold Shift, click and drag to create a perfect circle. Stroke none, good. And let's hide an image inside this circle. So File, Place. Let's put this one, Open. And click here and drag. This looks good. Now move the layer above the image. Then take the ellipse layer and move it between the thumbnail of the layer and the text. So you'll see that basically you'll have the option to place it there. Now let's add not a shadow but an outer glow and an inner glow. Let's take this one with a radius, intensity, and here you can play as much as you want. So let's take this one, inner glow. I like to be more reddish with some more radius here, bigger intensity, something like that. That's good. Looking good. And you can change the opacity if you want, but it would be like an orb or something. And click close. And there you have it. Now you can put your family picture here, your dog's picture, your cat's picture, or whatever. This is just for making an example. There you go. On next lesson, we will prepare this file to be printed and to be exported for your social media.